Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this screen protector from Better Future AACL. So I do want to thank Better Future for actually gifting this to me. So I've used my fair share of screen protectors before, and what I essentially have here is a screen protector for the Nintendo Switch. So what you see here is just a nice plastic way to kind of protect the screen. Now, the screen is not going to make it difficult to actually use the Switch device. And what this also includes with is you have a cleaning cloth. You also have wet cleaning cloths as well to basically prepare the device screen for actual placement of the protector screen. And then you also have what they call dust removers, which are right over here. So with these dust removers, any specks of dust where you don't want to put your fingerprint on it, this is going to come really in handy. So they give you 3 pieces of tape for that. Now, it also includes an installation protector guide, but having two screens, this most certainly will last me like 2 years or so until at least the first screen starts to give away or starts to unpeel. But hopefully that doesn't happen. But for the price of two screens of what you get, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.